breathing outside, a little bit high on the feeling. Can't seem to focus.
Paper towel buyer now. I haven't bought paper towels in like 5 years. I bought the brawny ones, but I don't really like those that much. Viva is my favorite, well, when I do buy paper towels, but I couldn't find them. My sister put me onto these years ago and I love them. There we go. It was way too dark. It's rainy today. I'm getting ready to make my first and second breakfast. So far I had coffee this morning. I just prepped these. I was trying to vlog with my Canon, but it's really big and wasn't focusing right away. So I'm on my iPhone. I'm about to make my first and second breakfast. So far I had coffee this morning. So I just prepped these fruits while I gave the kids their breakfast this morning. That's for my oatmeal. And then this is for my egg scramble that I always make.
We are galaxy, I'm about to fly. Rain on me, tsunami, hands up to the sky. I cannot wait for the album. 4 more days and we're gonna have like, I don't remember how many songs are on the album, but the album's coming out on Friday and girl, pray on me.
Avocado was ripe, but it's not. It'll be so good with my egg scramble. Do you need help, buddy? Okay, I got my Sony, which I hate. I hate this camera and it's going right back. I'm gonna make some infused water with this cucumber. It feels like it's going a little bit soft. You want one? Get one. Yeah, cucumber. I need that. That one's Baya. Hold on, wait. Okay, take that piece down. Lemon. What do you think?
Yellow lemon.
Yellow lemon.
No.
Ooh, that's sour, isn't it? I might wait until tomorrow because I want it to be really flavorful. What's wrong? I want it to be really flavorful and I'm trying to drink more flat water. Normally I drink sparkling water, which is fine, but I want to drink more water. Coming into my bathroom. The girls are listening to music out there and I don't want to have to keep telling them to be quiet because I can't have those songs in my video. I ate my oatmeal and I'm still kind of hungry, so I think I'm just going to go ahead and eat my egg scramble now. And as you can see, like I'm not sucking in or anything, but what baby bump? I'm probably going to clean my bathroom, make my bed, start laundry. I have to vacuum and mop and just some other cleaning related stuff. My arm is hurting. I guess I can show you guys the new products that I got. These I showed on Instagram. Is it gonna focus? Okay, there we go. This camera is much better at focusing. These are just the minis, like the sample sizes. It's a Bee Hydra Intensive Hydration Serum. C Firm Day Serum. I guess this is a vitamin C serum for the daytime. These are really, really light. And then this one came in, but you guys know I've been using this for a long time now and I love it. But I just went ahead and got it because I wanted to try this whipped cream moisturizer. So I got that as a sample. This is a repurchase. I've repurchased this probably like 3 or 4 times now. And then this is the big size for that one. I love this so much. What is a kitchen towel doing in my bathroom? Some soaps from this brand called Ivy. Look at how nicely they wrap this soap. That is adorable. It's in like a little linen sleeve. Is there a card on it? They smell nice. I think they all smell different. This is a Turkish brand. The kid's dad gave me a couple of soaps from there and some towels. I guess I can show you guys those too. I haven't opened them up yet because I've been really busy, but this is supposed to be a body towel, I think. And then this is a towel set from the same brand, Ivy. I guess he took the kids to the warehouse the other day and picked up some stuff. He gave me another one. It's in the car, but I don't really like this color. I mean, it's okay, but I won't display it in my bathroom. I got besides myself the other day and thought that I was going to put this dresser drawer together. Girl, bye. It's 8 drawers, first of all. I don't know where it cut off at, but this is why I don't like this camera. It keeps cutting off on me. But, yeah. I got besides myself, thought I was going to put this together, but I cannot do it. I need someone to help me. It's an 8-drawer dresser, so I hate building drawers. I don't like building anything unless it's like really, really easy, like my shoe thing. But all these winter clothing that I sometimes rip through because I'm cold at night and I want like winter pajamas. Then I have like more here. I want to get this up so I can fix my closet the way that it needs to be. I hid all of the styrofoam on top of my cubicle so the kids can't get to it because you guys know my son loves styrofoam. He calls it snow. Someone mentioned to me that I shouldn't have my batteries like this. A girl, one of my followers, reached out to me on Instagram and said that I should have them like not touching each other because they can catch flame, and I did not know that. Some of them are touching each other. I ordered a battery organizer from Amazon. It'll be here in a few days. My foundation brush was so hard to get clean. There's still like a tiny bit on there, but when I wipe on the towel, it doesn't transfer, so that's fine. I use my PMD to clean some of my brushes because it has this silicone, these silicone bristles on it, and it works really well, especially for my beauty blenders. I love using that. And then I just washed it off with a cleansing balm, my Drunk Elephant cleansing butter, and then I washed it with some soap. I'll just let these dry overnight. And I was going to clean the rest of my vanity. I started cleaning the bathroom. I cleaned the sinks and the cabinets. The toilet got cleaned yesterday. The tub also got cleaned yesterday, but I have a headache. I don't know where that came from. I just randomly have a headache now, so I think I'm gonna go lay down and just pick this video back up tomorrow. We're not really doing much. I wanted to go outside and do chalk with the kids, but it's been raining. And yeah, there's not really much to do. So I'm just gonna take it easy for the night and talk to you guys tomorrow. I gave the kids the chalk that I got from Amazon a few weeks ago. Do you like it, Patty?
Okay.
And
I was gonna make a rainbow. You can both make a rainbow. Okay.
the reason why I'm not doing this in the front driveway is because I don't trust Emir with the street being so close.
How does this go away?
Usually the rain, but I would just have to wash it down.
Okay. Now I need
With the hose?
Yeah.
I'm gonna do what they're doing.
Do you like it? Inside now, they cleaned up and I'm going to make them lunch. Amir said he wanted salmon, but that's gonna take a while to defrost. Do you want chicken, buddy? Yeah? You want this chicken?
No.
No? Come here. What chicken do you want?
Salmon.
Salmon? The salmon is gonna take a while. Those are sweet potato fries.
That's the lobster.
Lobster? That's shrimp, buddy.
Trip.
Shrimp.
Trip. Yeah.
No, that's frozen. That's gonna take long. Okay. Yeah.
Look at it. Oh, me, I'm the best.
What do you have? So I got this for the kids. It's an outside activity. It's a ring toss game. They said they played this at school, so they're outside setting that up right now. I changed my sheets, but my bed is not made. They're my dirty sheets that I'm gonna put in the wash. Also, I did end up cleaning my room yesterday after I stopped filming. I think the bleach was giving me a headache. But yeah, here's all of my makeup nice and clean. It was a disaster before I cleaned it. The worst it's ever been. And then in here I have some like combs and a brush. And here I have some lashes that I never used. When I first started my channel, I burned off half of my eyelashes. And I had to wear eyelashes for the first couple of months, but they grew back. So now I just have to. I put all the batteries in the battery organizer that came really fast. It's from Amazon, same brand as all of my kitchen organizers. I like it, and I feel safe now that these won't catch fire. Amir brought his breakfast in bed. Your feet are cold.
Cool.
Yeah, they're cold. I'm still in bed. Oh, excuse my voice. I'm so lazy. I had a weird dream. I woke up gasping for air and I wasn't drowning. I was just stressed out with my dream. There's Nutella in that waffle. It's like it's raining. Yep. It is raining. Well, it's sunny and raining, so it's a sun shower. I like being at my desk, eating my lunch and editing this vlog. I'm having, same as always, with some avocado and my infused water. Somebody rang my doorbell not too long ago, and now I see people like walking around outside selling stuff. I hate when people do that. It's raining. I don't know what they're doing out there, but I'm not opening my door. I'm editing this vlog, but my son asked me for banana bread, and our bananas are going off, so these are my ingredients. I've made this before and shared it a few times. That really did not take long at all. I'm just waiting for the oven to get to 350. And I'll put these in and continue editing my video. Hopefully I don't forget these in the oven. That would be so bad. It smells so good. Don't touch it. It's hot. You'll feel that pan is hot, buddy.
Pan's hot. Pan.
How are you touching it? Oh, it's not that hot. Hang on.
Pan.
Let it cool down. He
Pan.
does not want to wait. He has his plate. I put the Pam and the flour in the bottom of the pan so they can come out nice and clean. Hang on, buddy. A few more minutes. Right, so I'm here at the dentist. It's Thursday. A new Lady Gaga song just came out, Sour Candy, with black ink. I had no clue who that was, but Ruby did. It's a cute song. Anyways, I'm at the dentist, so I'm gonna end the vlog here and just edit this part in when I get home so I can upload it tomorrow or maybe Sunday or Monday. I'm not sure yet, but thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you all in my next video.